Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home, no calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your HP 15sfq1006ns laptop. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the process. Next, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. There are typically around 8 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard by gently pulling it out. Once disconnected, you can remove the battery by unscrewing any screws that hold it in place. Remember to keep these screws safe, as you will need them for the new battery. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any concerns you may have about the replacement process. Next, take your new battery and align it in the same position as the old one. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Once the battery is secured, reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. Before reassembling the back panel, it's wise to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to replace the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Now use the Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws into the back panel. Make sure they are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the casing. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we also provide collection and delivery at your home. This means you can have your laptop picked up, repaired, and returned without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service. Once all screws are in place, give your laptop a final check to ensure everything is secure. Power it on again and monitor the battery performance. If you encounter any issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, replacing the battery in your HP SFQ1006ns laptop is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can extend the life of your device significantly. Does your device need repair? We offer a no-obligation diagnosis. We collect and deliver to your home. No calls and no traveling. We'll send you the quote before we repair, and we only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.